Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Windows build and any recent updates because shell behavior changes by version. Once done, close apps that create overlays or notification pop-ups. These often pull the taskbar forward. Next, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and choose Restart. This refreshes the shell without rebooting. Make sure Taskbar Auto Hide is toggled off briefly so you can watch changes. These first actions eliminate common transient causes and set up the environment for deeper fixes. Now address persistent settings. Disable Focus, Assist, and Notification banners because they can unminimize the taskbar. Make sure the app itself uses native Fullscreen. Press F11 or change the app's display mode, since borderless windowed mode can trigger taskbar visibility. Remove taskbar toolbars, widgets, or third-party docks, and test with secondary monitors disconnected because multiple displays sometimes keep the bar active. If you use a game client or overlay like Discord, turn off its in-game overlay. Overlays often finish by updating GPU drivers and installing Windows optional fixes since driver bugs can hijack Z-order behavior. If the problem persists, perform a clean boot to see if a startup app causes the taskbar to show. Selectively re-enable items until you find the culprit. As a last resort, recreate the user profile or roll back to a restore point to undo recent system changes. If you still see the taskbar, check for third-party shell extensions with auto runs. One quick disable often resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.